Hi, I'm Dr. Cindy Malone. I am the director of the CSUN UCLA Bridges to Stem Cell Research Program, which is now known as the CSUN UCLA Stem Cell Scientist Training Program. Our original program, the CSUN Bridges to Stem Cell Research Program, was funded for 7 years. We recently, this past year, have a new RFA from Bridges 2.0 for another 5 years of this program. This program is great for our students. It used to be for graduate students and undergrads in the first 7 years, and the next 5 years will be an undergraduate internship program only. It focuses on hands-on, lab-intensive training at UCLA. There are 10 available undergraduate internship positions. You'll be at UCLA for about 10 months. What are we looking for? Highly qualified and culturally diverse undergraduates at CSUN, right? You have to be a biology major or a biochemistry major, and it's best if you have research experience. Cell and tissue culture and lab, which is 477L, is a great experience. Or if you don't have that, we have 347L, which is a cell and stem cell training course that's available in the summer, that's paid for by the grant. So what do you need? You need biology 247L first. So please sign up for that. If you took 296L, it's the same course. It just has a name change right now. So what else? In this program, yes, money to be funded for your stipend, for a living expense, for your tuition up to $7,000. That's 2 courses in the summer, 2 in the fall, and 2 in the spring, all related to the program. Research funds, conference travel funds first, right? You get to go to a major conference, and there's lots of other opportunities to present at UCLA and at CSUN symposia, research funds, and a stem cell training course that's paid for by the grant. So what do these students do? They do real stem cell biology research. Lots and lots of research and presentations. It's really an amazing program. So what are stem cells? Right? Stem cells are able to self-renew, make more of themselves, an undifferentiated cell that doesn't have a function except to make more of itself, or to differentiate into what we'd call terminally differentiated, or a cell that's actually doing a job. They're important because they build everything from the embryo and even as adults, right? Repairing, regenerating, doing everything we need in our bodies right now. So what can we do with them? Well, we can grow them, right? We can help damaged organs. We can facilitate damaged tissues. We can potentially treat lots of different diseases. And that's where you guys come in. These are the kind of studies that our students through this program are doing in UCLA labs. For example, one of our students worked with embryonic cells to produce cardiac cells. And this is not a video of his actual cells, but it's essentially the same thing that he was doing. Taking mouse embryonic stem cells, culturing them in a dish, driving them towards differentiation to cardiac cells. And look, when you grow cardiac cells in culture, they beat like a real heart. That's some cool stuff. What else? All kinds of stuff. Cancer, degeneration, heart attack, lung tissue, just making the induced pluripotent stem cells, metabolism, muscular dystrophy, stroke, lots of gene therapy. You could be doing this cutting edge research too. Fully paid and course credit. What more could you ask for? So again, graduate students in the past, but not anymore. It's all undergraduates. You're going to get 18 units, again, 6 in the summer, 6 in the fall, 6 in the spring, all paid for. We will be able to have the 476 and 495 are courses that you take while you're at UCLA, which is all related to your research. You are not here on campus. You are exclusively at UCLA, except for a few conference presentations. You'll take this biology 347, which is a 3-unit L course, which you all need L units in order to graduate. And that's offered in the summer only, which would be paid for by the grant if you're a Bridges participant. If you're not, you can take it anyways in hopes of becoming a Bridges student in the future. And any other extras, there's going to be an ethics course. We have a biostatistics course that will help you get honors biology credit. Out of the 18, really 14 will go straight to your major to help you advance to your degree. So it's not as much as if you were here on campus, but the amazing research experience is totally worth any other kind of delay that you might have. So this is an amazing opportunity. This experience is like none other for undergraduates. You can get data for a senior thesis if you're doing an honors biology. All of these students are doing amazing things, getting whatever job they want to do, medical school, PhD, pharmacy school, dental school, whatever they really want to do. Again, if you want to be part of the honors program, you have to have a GPA of 3.5 or above, and we can definitely talk about that and all the opportunities that go along with the honors program. So if we're going to talk about some outcomes, these are old, right? That was from the 4 cohort 6. We have lots more now, which are also highlighted in this little file, which you can look at students who go to PhD programs and where they've gone, students that have gone on to medical schools, graduates and undergraduate students, students working in academic labs, like real jobs that they get right out of the Bridges program as soon as they graduate. A lot of them before they graduate are working part-time. Industry labs, there's lots of opportunities to work at a biotechnology company, and trainees authorship on scientific papers. We have lots of them. So what else do our students do? Our students win lots of awards here at CSUN, academic awards, speaking awards, etc. It's an amazing program. I hope you'll go ahead and take a look at it. If I can find our link, you can go straight to the College of Science and Math in the biology section and look for CSUN UCLA stem cell training program. And you can go ahead and take a look at the program goals, which we talked about here just a little bit, some more information that I talked about, and some of the requirements. Some of these are not exactly updated correctly yet, but it'll give you a really good idea. And what happens to you while you're in the program, and then how do you apply. Right here, click the doc, click the PDF, fill it out, and email it back to me. I am cmalone@csun.edu, or look me up on the biology page, Cindy Malone, and you will be able to send that to me. You can also email me some questions about the program or anything else. And this is a picture of last year's cohort. I don't have one of this year's cohort. Yikes. But I really, really encourage you to look into this program and send in an application. Thanks so much, and I hope to hear from you.
Welcome
Take care.
to the tour of my MOOC site.